Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that Google and YouTube are rolling out some server-side updates that are bringing a minor improvement to the YouTube platform. And what it's going to do is you should start seeing in the near future 2 new buttons to skip backwards or forwards. Now, these changes are rolling out to YouTube in Edge and Google Chrome on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I haven't received the feature yet because it is on a controlled rollout, but here is a screenshot which will give us a general idea as more or less what to expect. So as we can see from this screenshot, Google now has added 2 new buttons, a backwards button and a forwards button, allowing you to skip forward or backwards by 10 seconds, as we can see, which is currently not available in the controls for YouTube videos. And if we head over to a YouTube video, just to demonstrate, you can see there are no current backwards and forwards buttons available where you can skip backwards by 10 seconds and skip forwards by 10 seconds currently in YouTube. So this is a minor improvement, but could be a very handy improvement that will be rolling out to YouTube in the future. Now, as many of you will know, it is already possible to fast forward or backwards videos by 5 seconds using your keyboard arrow keys. And also currently, if you have a device that does support touch, like your Android phone as an example, you can double tap on the left or right side of the video to skip backwards or forward. So just letting you know, as mentioned, that those backward forward buttons, letting you go back by 10 seconds and forward by 10 seconds, are on their way to your YouTube videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.